At Student Services, we organize the student orientation and academic readiness preparatory course for new students. We also organize social events and guest speakers to come in, like immigration consultants. We also try to offer services and programs that is suitable for students, like our ambassador program, to help students settle into the university life better, and also the Vancouver city as well. We like the information booth for students. If students have any inquiries or questions or any issues that they have, they're more than welcome to come and see Student Services.
We hire a lot of former students. This has been really helpful to us because some students like to talk about personal problems in their native language because it's very difficult to communicate your feelings even in your native tongue. So that's the great thing about Student Services. We're very multicultural.
Being a formal student at University Canada West, I have been aware of a lot of ins and outs for the university, which has helped me in my daily routine to help students with their advices on what courses to take, how to avoid the tackles that I personally went through. Coming from India, I was an introvert, but studying in this contractive and close interaction with the instructors and small class sizes helped me explore more about myself, being out there, being able to share my opinions. And that helped me to work in a team and to work in an open space.
Keep Me Safe is available to every one of our students. So what Keep Me Safe is counseling in your native language. It's an app, you download it onto your phone. Again, it's available to any student that goes to UCW. And then you start to communicate through that app with a counselor. Then you can select one of 40 languages. So we've got amazing feedback from this program. Any student can walk in off the street, come to see us about their myriad of issues. I don't want to say they're always problems because sometimes students come in with actually really great things happening in their lives.
Now, as a staff member, I also see what all the university does for the students and how appreciative I can be for the university that they've done throughout my journey.